The Juba Catholic Church Choir practices a song they wrote to welcome Pope Francis on his first visit to South Sudan. The streets of capital Juba are being repaved and buildings repainted to greet the 86-year-old leader of the world's nearly 1.4 billion Catholics.
Almost 90% of the work is already done.
60% of South Sudan's 11 million people are Christians, most of them Catholics.
We would like to see that the visit of the Holy Father will bring us more blessings so that we as people of South Sudan in turn will coexist and live together as brothers and sisters.
The Pope is expected to hold an open-air mass at the mausoleum for Dr. John Garang, who led South Sudan to independence from Sudan in 2011. Francis will also meet some of the country's 2 million internally displaced people who fled ongoing unrest. The Pope is being joined by the leader of the Church of England and the Church of Scotland moderator in what the Holy See is calling the non-denominational pilgrimage of peace.
Their presence in Juba, the capital seat of South Sudan, maybe it is a way that God is visiting us to reverse and minimize all our challenges, and also to enable our leaders to have that stronger spirit of trust for one another, that spirit of giving themselves to implement the remaining parts of the revitalized agreements which are not yet implemented.
Francis arrives in South Sudan after visiting the Democratic Republic of Congo, which the Vatican says has the biggest population of Catholics in Africa.
We have informed our people to be ready to receive the Pope from the airport on the date of arrival from Democratic Republic of Congo. The President of the Republic have announced that this year, 2023, as the Pope is visiting us, will be a year of peace and reconciliation.
During his 3 days in South Sudan, Pope Francis will also meet President Salva Kiir, who is expected to relieve the pontiff on peace efforts as well as the country's ongoing humanitarian crisis. Sheila Oponi for VOA News, Juba, South Sudan.